Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install or add ExpressVPN extension on your Google Chrome browser. Now, I want to mention that ExpressVPN extension is available both on Google Chrome and also on Firefox, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add that in Google Chrome. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, guys, and click the three dots on the upper right hand side. Then you want to hover over extension and click on the visit your Chrome Web Store and just simple type in ExpressVPN in one word. Go ahead and hit enter, and you want to look for the one that tells you that it's VPN. There are multiple different applications there as an extension, but you want to scroll down and look for this one that says ExpressVPN, VPN proxy for better internet. And as you can see as well that this is actual VPN. So you can click on this one, and here you go ahead and click on add to Chrome. You will see it, add extension, and you will see that it's currently basically downloading and so forth, right? So here you can see now that it adds the ExpressVPN to your Google Chrome immediately. So here I have it, and I can click on it, and as you can see here it says ExpressVPN extension. I can go ahead and click on continue here, click on OK, and here you can see that I have it. Now, the reason why mine is already logged in is because I already have ExpressVPN already. So I already have a subscription, right? So if I go to my settings or my account, you will see that I already have ExpressVPN. You can see that I have a free trial, right? So in your case, you want to go ahead. If you don't have a subscription, you will need to basically purchase one, and then you can enter that activation code and you will basically log in. But this is how you add it. So if I want to use ExpressVPN right now, I can just simply go ahead and basically use that extension. So you saw that I have it here. Let me go back to my extensions here, right? Manage extensions, and you will see that I have the ExpressVPN in the list here. So this is my ExpressVPN. I can click on details. You can see here that I have ExpressVPN ready and working. So you can easily at any point in time use this, guys. If you want to basically use ExpressVPN, you can easily go ahead and connect to it either from your computer if you have it downloaded on your Windows PC like I have here in my computer, or you can go ahead and you can just click the, let's say, the extension icon on the upper right hand side of your browser, and just simply click on extension VPN and you'll have it like that. So let's say I would like to connect to, for example, United States. I can select that, and you can see I'm now connected to the United States, and it's connected. Now, if you really want to see that it's connected and I have the United States, I can show you. If I go ahead and let's say I want to type in what's my zip code. So if you see here, I'm going to type in what is my zip code. If I click on that, you will see that it's going to quickly check my zip code online, and it should tell me that I have a zip code of somewhere in the United States because I'm currently connected to a United States, or let's say the New York location in a VPN. So you want to give it a few seconds, guys. It's going to detect, and it's going to tell you the location. And there you have it, guys. You can see that it shows that my current address is somewhere in Hope, United States. So you can see that I have a zip code here within the United States. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Auto download and install the ExpressVPN in your Google Chrome browser.